So let us first appraise you on the last point, that is point number 5, which states this. The review type in the updated app still shows us happy, normal, unhappy. Now, I personally apologize for the same. We just updated it for the Arabic version. Now, the application that will be sending you via the URL, kindly use that one where we have addressed that the following will be our point of rating. That is happy, fair, unhappy in English, happy, fair, unhappy in Arabic, and happy, hair, unhappy on French side. Now, going back to the admin section, you have raised the point, that is the chart report shows total number of 488, 691, and the total reading of the chart is totally different and did not make sense compared to total number of clients is 266. Entered the office within the report period of 17 to 9. Now, as you remember, 17 at 1 to the 5th of this month, the end user was using the old app where there was an issue of multiple entry. Now, if we look at the chart at not 8, 9, I believe the new application started from using 9, and we run a 1 day report, we see we get a perfect data because the new application has been used by the end user or the employees of your organization. The new updated application that we are sending, you can check it again. Please tell all your employees that to use the application that we are sending on 9/9, that application as well as the one sent on the 5th are the correct application. So to be very honest, use this application we are sending today on the 9th, and tell your employees before taking on any more data to uninstall all the apps from all the devices, uninstall the Arabian Falcon customer satisfactory app from their devices, and reinstall this app, the new app that we are sending today. That is addressing point number 1. Point number 2, the multiple industries existing. This is existing because you are checking from a date of 1/7 to na- uh, 2/9/7, that date range. And in that date range there are 4 business days where you are using the old app, which has the multiple data entry issue that has been addressed. So kindly check that. The date-wise chart report shown in the unpublished section, current number unpublished question. Current number of published questions is only 3. The date-wise review chart report shown an unpublished question. So let's go over there. Date-wise report, date-wise report, and detailed month report. So the questions, these are the questions that are published. If we edit it, we can see these are all published. If you go back to questions, we can see the following. Let's see, let's increase the value to 50. We see the following questions: 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. 15 questions. Out of these 15, 4 are repeats. As you can see, would you like to work with us again? Is available at airport reception sales. Please rate our service, airport sales reception. Published, total number of published is 1, 2, 3. Rest are all unpublished. So 3 questions only. Now the report that you saw has to be from the old application, from the not from the new application. Test this new application. There will be no questions about it. Now the next part of the issue raised is we couldn't add question to the new added department company. I have shown in my earlier video how to add a question for the company. Please check the process. You click on add questions, then you select company, you write in test for the English, then you go to Arabic and write test in Arabic, then you write test in French. Once all these three languages text are inserted over here in this area, then you can either publish it or just save it. The moment you save it, let's see the question. Test has come up and it is not published and it is in company. So the system works. Now the last point is the review types. This has been updated as I told you right now. So as far as our conclusion, all the system are working fine, but as the data involves the old application where multiple entries were being used, that was coming in, that is why you have a faulty report. Keep using the new app that we sent on the 5th, as well as no, now use only the app that we are sending on the 9th, and uninstall the old app from the system so that you will have a perfect data. Thank you. Please review this video carefully. If any question, drop us an email. Thank you, sir.